Welcome back to Scrapbook.com. This stamp set features a little on the snarky side sentiments that are perfect for Valentine's Day. These are great for galentines or giving to your girlfriends, giving to a coworker, or of course your hubby or partner if you like this kind of humor. So the first sentiment is, here's the obligatory, sweet, overly mushy, and extremely sentimental Valentine's Day card I'm supposed to give ya. Love this sentiment either for the front or for the inside as a fun and funny surprise. The middle sentiment says, nothing says I love you like a piece of paper folded in half. Super funny, especially for us paper crafters, because, you know, we like to make cards and give cards, but we also can laugh a little at ourselves. This last sentiment states, if you didn't get me anything chocolate, then Valentine's Day is canceled for you. Because yes, we need our chocolate. Check out these fun samples. This one features that piece of paper folded in half, funny little sentiment. And then it does feature the I love you stamp from the other Valentine's stamp set released this year. Check out this stunner of a sample. It features this gorgeous swooping heart and a metallic paper that's die cut out. And it says, nothing says I love you like a piece of paper folded in half. Well, this is not just a piece of paper. This is a gorgeous card. Really cute. This one has a really fun cutout and the sentiment is revealed on the inside. And it features the new stencil from Scrapbook.com as well. I love this ombre effect that she used with the Scrapbook.com inks. And nothing says Valentine's like those chocolates. And so she really hit home the theme with the chocolate sentiment and created these boxes on the card. And it kind of, you know, is reminiscent of a box of chocolates. And she found these cute chocolate embellies that she stuck on. Really, really cute with the chocolate and pink color theme. And if you want to see more or see all of the products used on these card samples, remember just to click the link below and you'll see the product page for the stamp sentiment. If you just scroll down on that product page, you will see the gallery examples and you can click the one that caught your eye, and then that way you'll see the entire product list linked.